Hey guys, it's been pretty cold outside, and yesterday one of us turned down the thermostat, and the furnace didn't run for about 3 hours or so. And when I noticed the thermostat was down, it was too late. I got frozen pipes somewhere in here. Now I will show how to fix that. This is Rheem brand, and from this window you will see the error code. It shows like 56. Apparently that's not 56, it's 59, because these are sideways, and 59 is water condensation problem. It sensed water somewhere, so I will fix that. So I got the covers out, and this is the board, and when it's on I hear humming sound from here, I believe, or one of these pieces, but I don't see the motor running nor the burners on. Okay, and when I checked first time I was fixing this, I noticed that this pipe got full of ice. I melted that down with a hair dryer. I took out the top part, and then got the water out, and also I checked these two pipes right here. Both of them were hardened, and I applied heat with a hair dryer and got those ice out. And also I removed this one. This is the main condensation connector. As you see, it's filled with water, and that's why it stopped working. For now I'm gonna use a little pipe, plastic, and put this up here. Oh, wait. Let me get these cables out. I will use a bucket and connect that with this, so I can get the water out directly, because I feel like these condensation pipes are still full of ice or somehow clogged. I will deal with that later. I took out this pipe and used a little plastic pipe to get the water connected, get to the bucket, and I plug it in, and then turn off the heat on the thermostat and turn back on. And this is it is humming now, and it should work. I will show the code. It initially showed 0, now it says heat is on, and I'm pretty sure the burner will kick in. Just the burner got started, as you see, and you will notice water coming out of this pipe instead of going through the regular condensation pipe that goes down the second floor. I believe there is ice in here somewhere. Okay, now it's working fine, and I started seeing the water droplets here. It's dripping.